show you how to install this weight to start. I know a lot of you guys have been waiting for this video, so here's your module. In the back, you have some T10 bulbs. After a couple clients have actually replaced these, they've had issues. So just be careful if you end up buying some T10 bulbs and you're having any kind of electrical issues, that might be the culprit. So that being said, how do we remove this old faceplate? You can see a lot of these old ones that get cracked. So even just replacing that panel. So once you pull this guy out, what I like to do is right where the black and the white are, you can be really gentle with the stuff, is just go around the edge and just score it. It doesn't take much. See, this one's already coming off. And this guy just pops out. Here's your old plate, and got the new one. So again, new one. And you can see here, there's curves. So that's how you know it's going in the right way. And what I would do is, one, make sure you have it the correct orientation, make sure it's not backwards. So where the lights are, you'd have a row of that, like that. And so what I would do is I would just grab super glue and just 1, 2, 3, 4, just really small dabs. You really don't need much, just tiny little dabs. And then you can set this on, hold it in place, let it dry. But again, don't put much super glue. If you just fill this thing with super glue, you'll never get it off if you have to get it off. We really just want it to just hold slightly. So just the tiniest little dab on each corner is plenty. That way, if you ever have to get back in there, you can still get a knife in there. You can still, open this thing back up. So that's all there is to it. It's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. Again, be careful if you're changing out the T10 bulbs in the back. Again, just had a couple customers have some issues once they replaced those. But yeah, overall, super easy to install. If you have any questions, reach out, and see you in the next one.